Hey, do you need wallpaper? Go to wallpaperboulevard.com. Give them my name, tell them Spencer Colgan sent you, and they'll be sure to give you 10% off at checkout. Check it out. Tell them I said hello. They have a tremendous selection. Don't shop anywhere else until you've checked out www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Hey, it's Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Thanks for coming back to my show. So lately, I've begun to transition from manual pasting to machine pasting exclusively, where I've used it in the past intermittently, with the consideration that I didn't want to keep cleaning out my tool. But I've come to the conclusion that from now on, I'm using the pasting machine for residential and for all commercial work. The time you save is amazing. I've recently done a video on should I invest money in a pasting machine. And in the video, I show you that to wallpaper an average size room with 36-inch goods, I spent 2.5 minutes pasting the material with the machine versus wasting 1 hour pasting the material manually. That is to say, pasting it with a paint roller. Some folks like to paint manually with a brush. Others use a paint roller. If you can work the machine into your budget, it is my professional opinion that you invest in a pasting machine. I don't work for the pasting machine company. In fact, I won't even give you the names of the companies from whom I purchased my machines. I will simply show you the benefits of having the machine based on my last video and this video, where I'll show you that I just cleaned my machines and they're ready to go again. Let's go over to the machine. So these are your typical machines. Now, if you know me, I go all out for my tools. You don't need the stand and you don't need the swivel. What's the swivel? That's the plate on which the machine rests. And the swivel allows you to pull the material standing on the side I'm standing, pull the material, the table would be here, and so now you can't walk here and pull your material, so you pull it off to the side this way, and then as you pass the table, you holding the material, you straighten it out, and you rest it on your table. You come over to the machine, and you cut against this fence. And there you have your piece. That's what the swivel is for. It's an optional accessory. The tool itself is quite versatile. You can see that it will take a long time to rust, as it's made out of stainless steel. This is good for all residential installations. It's light. It also comes with a handle. These legs collapse, come up under the machine, and you carry it the way you would carry a suitcase or a guitar case. Okay. This is the beast. Has a lot of wear on it, but it keeps on going. Okay? This is the pasting table I was talking about. So you pull your material through this one. Now this is good for all commercial uses. This is 56 inches wide. It has your counter. And so when you're pulling the material through, it's counting inches. Okay? And so you know, if your wall is 103 inches, You stop right there, and then you cut right in there where your knife goes, and you have your sheet. I cannot emphasize enough, if you can get your hands on a pasting machine, get it. Now, I cleaned my machines. It's the weekend. I break down the machines once a week after I keep them in plastic all week. The main thing is you have to keep the bed nice and dry, right? And so if it has paste in it and you're stirring the paste in it, you just cover it with painter's plastic, spritz it down before you close the job, keep the pasting machine nice and moist. But even when you're doing that, you get some dry paste. And so once a week, you want to give it a good clean down. I let it dry in the sun, and we're ready to go on Monday. Okay? So this is the beast. This is good for commercial. This is my residential machine. I can carry this. I can't carry this. And so we only take it out on commercial applications. Could you use it for residential? Sure. But you're going to have to pay a helper to come to the job because it's just not practical. You don't want to carry that on your jobs. Okay? So there you have it. 2 pasting machines. This is the one that will come to everyday jobs, and that's my commercial. These are 2 of 4 pasting machines that I have, and if you have a wallpaper business, I highly suggest you get yourself a piggy bank and you start saving your money, because you will save an average of an hour per day. Couldn't you use another hour during the day to clean out your truck, to get out of the job a little earlier, to go on an estimate that you couldn't get to? Can't emphasize enough. Highly suggest you get a pasting machine. Okay. Let me know if you need any advice on where to get them or which are the best, and I will do everything I can to help you. Thanks for watching my channel. Please click on like and subscribe.